Woo, that camera be coming down quick. Morning, day 4 of being in Iowa. Yesterday, y'all know I went to the zoo, went out to eat. Like, I kind of explored downtown. I'm gonna do the same thing today, but I think I'm gonna go to the art museum instead. Excited to see what today bring. I decided to change my hair up because the wind kept blowing and whew, that long hair was not working out. Then it was cold. It just wasn't. It wasn't it. So I had to get my little Dora the Explorer on. Less to worry about and out the way. Had to put a little headband on to keep it out of my face. Something I also forgot to tell y'all that I've been taking while I've been on my assignments are vitamins. Let me put them up. I put them in this 30-day thing because I'm going to be out of town. And that way I won't have to pack all those pill bottles. So that would be kind of good for you guys to look into. I think I take vitamin C, B12. I know I take an apple cider vinegar gummy. I take elderberry, echinacea, just stuff like that, which helps with your immunity. I think a few of them help with your digestive tract as well. But yep, just finna do that. Y'all, it's been snowing out here since I got here, honestly. I want y'all to see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's been super cold, super cold. I don't leave without a sweatshirt, jacket, coat, gloves, the whole 9 yards. Woo! I guess I'm gonna go tackle it today. Stay tuned, good people.
Arrived.
I don't know which way I go to get in, y'all. Let's see. I go up this. Ooh, this scary. I am inside the museum. Look how pretty this is.
You everything I'm missing, we don't know it yet. Thought I didn't need a missus, I be focused. But long nights get cold when the tune stop. Traveling man, hope you someone I could roll with. Lose control for the night, let the liquor talk. Weight on your shoulders, get it off while you getting off. You want it all, join the team, baby, getting.
Alright guys, let's finish going through the museum.
It's everybody in the building to the sky now. Hands up if you feel that. Life thrills, it's a different type of high now. It's everybody in the building to the sky now. Life thrills, it's a different type of high now. Murder you wrote in that black dress. It's crazy how you even got up in it.
Check 1 2 1 2. Christy guy coming in with news for you. Hick. I'm just playing. Alright, y'all. Enough playing. All jokes aside. I just got in from the museum. Not museum. I went to a art museum. So it was a museum. Okay. So I did go. I went to an art museum, and I must say it was fantastic. Like, I really was impressed. The main thing that really stood out to me when I went in was as soon as you go in, you look to the left, and in big bold print, it is like a title with a paragraph underneath it, like an article, and the title reads Black Stories. And I thought that was pretty interesting that they allowed that to be the first thing you see when you enter the museum. So I thought that was pretty cool. And if you further go along throughout the museum, they have artwork and pictures of not only of African Americans, but the artworks and pictures are done in created by African Americans as well. The majority of the museum, I want to say like 50% of it, is talking about African Americans and the things that we are facing in today's society. And I thought that was so good that Iowa, you know what I'm saying, highlighted that. Go Iowa. Ooh, I really liked it. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to go in more detail about the Black stories and who created it and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, I'm back in my room, as you can see, chilling. I think I'm finna get ready to go out and get maybe some dinner later on and see what else there is out to do. Because I know once I start working, it's going to be a wrap. I ain't finna be going nowhere. I'm finna be going work and sleep, work and sleep. So I'm probably just going to update y'all in between those days when I'm doing that. Because yeah, ain't going to be much to see. Looking forward to starting work Monday and not, well, it's cool. I guess I ain't got no choice. But y'all stay tuned because I'm going to try to keep y'all up to date of what's going on. I was so inspired by the pictures I seen in the art museum today. I decided to have a photo shoot of my own. I mean, I am an African American queen, right? Say cheese. Yes, hey, Topia.
Hello, hi Christy. Vlog.
We on our way to go get something to eat. Where we going?
We're going to Bubba in downtown Des Moines, Iowa.
Okay. So hopefully it's good. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see where we're going.
Right.
She got me out here walking, y'all.
It's only a 5-minute walk from the hotel. Really, Christy?
Okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag. Go to that bag. You to that bag. Okay, shorty, 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 okay, shorty. Go to that bag. I love the bag. I love the bag. Okay, shorty. Sippin' on a 40 while we watchin' Rick and Morty. Snatch her sports bar, she ain't sporty. Why your phone out? Don't record me. Throw to that back, yee. Sippin' on some Jack D. Pop it like it's acne. Fatty keep.
Good, the little bacon on the top. Keto friendly.
I know. Let's take a look at that menu.
She's a vlogger, guys.
But happy, show up at your door like Avon. Shorty rockin' that thong with the lace on. You already know that fat booty freaking taste bun. Been smashing for hours, damn, half the day's gone. Okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag. Shorty only 5'1", she got a 5 tongue. Fun size but big bank, could retire young. And restless, you know who the best is. My ex is still wearing my damn shirts like they dresses. Vanilla killer hoe, I'm the freshest. Why your mouth wide open like a dead fish? Her